Okay, great question from a student doing algebraic proofs. And so she's given an equation and let's say that it says given 3x plus 5 equals 17. And your job is to prove that x equals 4. Okay. So in an algebraic proof, you're going to have some basic things that you kind of use to get it set up. Here's the basic setup for statements and reasons, 2-column proof. And, you write down your given. And then what happens, I'm going to work the problem over here so we can kind of think through it. Think about how you would solve this problem. Forget about a proof for a minute and just think, how do I solve this equation for x? Well, you would subtract 5 from both sides, right? And so you'd end up with 3x. The 5's cancel, becomes 0, and 17 minus 5 is 12. Okay, going back to the proof, this is what I write on the next statement for the proof. 3x equals 12. And here's where lots of times students mess up their proof is they'll say that this is the addition property of equality because there's a plus 5 in the problem. Think about when you were solving. You didn't add in order to solve. Over here, what did we do to both sides of the equation? We subtracted 5. That's the subtraction property of equality that says that you can do that. That if you subtract from both sides, then you haven't changed the value of the equation. And so, yeah, that's the property you're looking for. So that's probably the biggest thing that I see. So let's just finish it up. Our proof statement is x equals 4. Let's see if we can get there in 3 steps. So at 3x equals 12, think about what your next step would be here. What do you do to solve for x? Yeah, you're going to divide by 3 on both sides. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1x equals 12 divided by 3 is 4. All right, there we go. So we're down to our proof statement, x equals 4. That means that this is our last statement. And our reason is whatever we did over here. What did we do to get the 4? We divided by 3 on both sides. So the division property of equality is our last reason. And that's the proof, the algebraic proof. All right. I hope that helps you. See you next time.